Hi everyone, welcome to Intuitive Light by Himani. I'm back with my weekly horoscope for which you all wait for it. So I will be reading out based on your moon sign. So if you don't know your moon sign, you can always read it with your zodiac sign, whichever you resonate with. So it's a general reading. Take whatever resonate with you and plan your coming week. In the end, this time I'm going to give you angel answers for overall queries or questions within this week you have in mind, or whatever decisions you want to make this coming week. So this answer will help you to get the insight about it, because this is the answer from angels who are blessing you, universe who is blessing you. So do read this as well. So I will be putting down the description of all the zodiac signs along with this answer, so you can check your zodiac description and then you can go back to the oracle answers, angel answers for overall query you have. Do share this video with your family and friends so that they can also plan their week, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. So let's get started. First zodiac sign is Mesh Rashi, that is Aries. So for Aries we have the card 5 of Cups. So this week Aries, you might be disappointed with your work, or you will be working hard but unable to get the results. So you are feeling restless, feeling disappointments. Don't lose hope. Maybe this is not the right week for you. Continue doing your hard work, definitely you will get the result. Also, some might be in disappointments or regrets for their decisions they have made last week. So don't lose hope. Continue whatever you have in mind, work hard, and yes, definitely you will get the result. This week is not the right week. If you are looking for job change, you won't get the result, or if you're planning to make any decisions, this is not the right week. So all the best, Aries. Now we move on to Vrishab Rashi, that is Taurus. So let's see what is stored for Taurus. Taurus, for you we have the card 5 of Pentacles. So if you have financial constraints this week, don't worry. Just take financial help from others. Don't feel disheartened that or shame that you are going to take financial help. Sometimes it happens. So don't worry. If you are going in a bad relationship this week, so it's the time to take an important decision, and don't feel you are alone. Sometimes it happens. Don't feel isolated. Just talk to people if you have certain problems or certain mental disturbance. So just talk to people. Also just take care of your health. Eat proper food and water, so balanced diet. So don't worry, sometimes the situations are like that which is under not our control. So don't lose hope. Don't take any important decisions this week, and don't go for a job change or new things right now. This is not the right week. You also, if you are feeling restless and if you are feeling disheartened, just don't be alone. Talk to people. All the best, Taurus. Now we move on to the third zodiac, Mithun Rashi, Gemini. So let's see what is stored for Gemini. Okay, Gemini, for you we have the card the Hanged Man. So this week you have to be patient. Don't worry, things will move out as per plan. If you are taking important decisions, just wait for this week, because this is the week for looking, stand still, looking within yourself what you want to do in life. Sometimes we need to let go certain things which are under not our control. Maybe if you are going through a tough relationship this week, so just relax. Let's go with the flow. Let's wait for you know universe blessings at the right time. So this is the time for you to just be calm and be composed. Whatever is not, working out, just leave that and move on. So it's the time to take a break from your daily routine and just pause and reflect what you need to do next. So all the best, Gemini. Now we move on to the next zodiac, Kark Rashi, Cancer. So let's see what is stored for Cancer. Okay, Cancer, we have the card 7 of Cups. So this card is telling you you might receive lots of opportunities this week. All opportunities seem to be good, seem to be exciting, but don't carry forward, or don't just be in illusions that what you need to take. Just research and then take the right opportunity. Some might be daydreaming about different things. I want to lose weight, or I want to have a life partner like this, or anything. You might be daydreaming. Dreaming is okay, but at the same time you need to take the right action. If you don't take action, how will you lose weight? So don't restrict yourself only to the daydreaming, but also you need to look for ways how you can take the right action. And for many opportunities and choices, if you feel all are good, then just close your eyes and think what will give you, growth, what will give you good result, what you exactly need. You need financial growth, or you need good role, or anything, whatever you feel like. So then you can go ahead. All the best, Cancer. Now we move on to the next zodiac, Singh Rashi, that is Leo. So let's see what is the card for Leo. Okay, Leo, we have the card 5 of Swords. So this card is telling you don't argue with people. This is not the right time to argue. I know your opinions will be right, but it is not the time to, in order to win, or in order to prove your point, you should argue with your boss or with your people. Because once spoken words cannot be taken back, and you feel guilty in the end. So it is the right time to be silent. In the next coming week you can give back your opinions, but at this time, don't be speaking about your opinions or arguing with your people. Some might be facing abusive relationship, with your partner. So it is the time to make the right choice. Don't stay in the relationship which is unhealthy. So it is the time to move out of that unhealthy relationship. Don't make any decisions which you regret in the end. All the best, Leo. Now we move on to the next zodiac, Virgo, Kanya Rashi. So let's see what is stored for Virgo this week. Virgo, this week we have the card Queen of Wands for you. This week you will be adventurous, you will be determined. And also, if you feeling that in a current job you are not feeling it's the right job opportunity, just make social networks, talk to people, and get the right job for you. This week you will be a party animal, where you enjoying with your friends, with your loved ones. You are very passionate and determined towards your goals. You have the clear vision that what you want to do in life. Also, you will be a good leader for your colleagues, where you will help them to achieve their goals along with yourself. So overall, it's a good week for you. New opportunities might come, which is giving you the right path to move on. You will be very adventurous, very passionate, very determined, lots of energy in you. So all the best, Virgo. Now we move on to the next zodiac sign, that is Libra, Tula Rashi. So for Libra we have King of Cups. Libra, this week you will be very emotional, at the same time you will be practical. So you are matured enough to balance your emotions this week. New opportunities will struck you this week, that is helping you to be emotionally happy. Also, you'll be romantic in your love front, enjoying with your partner, you know, loving each other. Also, you will be compassionate towards your colleagues in terms of work, helping them, you know, in their work with a compassionate point of view. Also, whatever decisions you will be taking this week, you will be taking from the heart, but at the same time you will be practical enough. If in case any struggles comes up, you are not too much inclined towards emotions, but at the same time you are balanced enough. So all the best, Libra. Now we move on to Vrishchik Rashi, that is that is Scorpio. So for Scorpio, we have the card the Fool. So this week you will be, you know, adventurous. You will be taking risk in terms of new projects, or if you are doing business, you want to do business, you will be taking risk in terms of based on your faith. You are innocent, you are carelessness, you want to take risk. New opportunities will also struck, and you are ready to take new role which is different from your profile. You are based on faith, but at the same time don't carelessly move forward without proper research, because you might fall down. So take risk based on your leap of faith, but at the same time you have to be careful enough to take any important decision, Scorpio. So all the best. Now we move on to Sagittarian Dhanu Rashi. So for Sagittarians, we have the card Knight of Wands. So Sagittarians, you are moving very fast this week towards your goals. You're working very hard to reach your goals. You have a clear vision. You are adventurous and passionate enough to follow your work and follow your goals, but at the same time don't move too fast that you fell down and broke your knees. So just stay not very fast, just stay in a balance. Take care of your legs, otherwise you will fall down and you get leg injury. So it's the time to take care of your health. At the same time you must be busy working towards your goals with passion and determination. New opportunities will come to your door, which will which you always wanted to work on, which is your passion, which is your dream goals. So all the best, Sagittarians. Now we move on to Makar Rashi, Capricorn. So let's see what is stored for Capricorns. Okay, Capricorns, you have a card 4 of Pentacles. This card is telling you don't control your emotions or hold your emotions. If you want to express it, otherwise if you will lose someone in expressing your emotions. So don't hold your emotions. At the same time it is necessary for invest money, but at the same time don't hold the money and restrict with necessary happiness or necessary enjoyment at the same time. I know you are happy, you are secured with your work, it's a normal routine work, you are enjoying where you are working, you don't want to go ahead to change, but at the same time look for long term future, invest money, at the same time enjoy also. Don't be a miser. Thirdly, some might be feeling over possessive towards their partners, which is also not good. If you are over possessive and not giving space, you might land in trouble or you might lose your partner. So you have to balance your emotions, express it, don't hold it. You are feeling secured, you are feeling happy with whatever work you are doing, but at the same time you have to balance it. Invest your money for the long term savings, at the same time enjoy what you want to enjoy in life. So all the best, Capricorns. Now we move on to second last zodiac, Kumbh Rashi, Aquarians. So let's see what is stored for Aquarians. It's a very beautiful card for you, Aquarians. You might receive your soulmate, love of your life. Are enjoying your work, or somebody will be working in a team, or if you are doing business, it's the right time to do it with partnership. So it's a love romantic week. You might get engaged, or if you are looking for your life partner, you will get what you desire for. It's the soulmate. Angels are blessing you. You might receive the soulmate in your life this week. So it's a overall a very good card. You'll enjoy your career. You'll be working in a joint team for a project, in a partnership, and both of you share the value, very mutual value and mutual connect. So all the best, Aquarians. Now we move on to the last zodiac, Pisceans. So let's see what is told. Pisceans, you might be feeling unconscious fears to move ahead in life. Maybe moon transit is affecting you, or maybe you feeling insecure that your partner is cheating. Just trust your partner. Or you might be having fears of doing something new, because maybe in the past you had a failure, or maybe in the past something happened that is not letting you to move on. Or you might be having illusions, or your fear, you are scared, you are insecure. So just relax, meditate this time, and then move ahead. Don't take any decisions impulsively. Don't take any decisions with you know with with a mind where with a fluctuating mind. So you have to just stay calm and then take decisions. So all the best, Pisceans. Now let's see what has angels have answering you this week for your questions, whatever you have in mind. So angels are saying, don't stop, continue, moving towards your goals, moving towards your path. Maybe you are stuck, maybe you are feeling regret of your decisions, but universe is saying you are on the right path. Don't regret, continue to move. Don't see what people are saying, because they don't have a vision. You have a vision, so you have to move on. Angels are blessing you. Don't stop. Your dreams will definitely be fulfilled at the right time. It's a time to continue moving ahead without stopping. So I hope these guidances will help you to plan your week with the angel answer, and you will continue to move ahead. Till then, thank you so much for watching my video. Keep showering your love and blessings. Till then, bye for now. Take care. Goodbye.